people, welcome to my channel. Keep watching the video.
Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to prepare a new recipe which is just perfect for the summers. That is the Kaccha mango ginger pickle. So without any further words, let's get into the video.
So we have taken fresh green mangoes for this recipe. Now we are going to peel this off and prepare all the ingredients as shown before. Heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan and put all the mangoes with a pinch of turmeric to it. Then add salt and stir it very well. Add a bowl of sugar to it and then keep on stirring. Then put the chili cumin mixed masala and half tablespoon of ginger paste. Stir it very well in medium flame until a jelly-like consistency is formed. After this, store it in your favorite jar from the pan, and your Kaccha mango ginger pickle will be ready to serve.
Pickle is ready and I've stored it in a glass jar. So if you want to taste this throughout the year and if you don't want to use any additional preservative, expose this to the sunlight twice weekly. So that's all. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the bell notification button so that you never miss any updates from my channel. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.